Here we are looking at DGRI. This is the daily chart. Had quite a few people asking for this the past couple of days, and just now being able to get around to doing it. And this chart apparently is human. It was going through this course here where it was, the candle was green at this point, so it looked like this thing was kind of beyond human, but the chart gravity has caught back up to it. And depending on your strategy, the chart is still bullish. Before you jump to conclusions and say, how can I say that? Remember, you got to ask yourself, if you're a day trader, of course, and you bought there or something like that, then yes, you should already be out and the chart's looking a little bit rough for you. But if you're in this for a longer term swing trade or just in this for the overall chart, then the bulls are still in control. So, how can I say that? Well, let's take a look at where support levels are, and more specifically our moving averages. You can see we got a whole clump of moving averages down here. The blue line being the 10-day, this gray line being the 20-day, and the purple line being the always important 50-day. And the price is still well above those, hasn't even tested it yet despite this pullback. That's just a catch-22. When prices really get moving like this, as is the case with anything in life, there's always a trade-off, and the trade-off is usually the pullbacks can get pretty big because the charts really do get overextended. So that's just what the chart is seeing. But to put that in perspective, like I said, these moving averages and support levels haven't even been tested yet. So besides these moving averages, the key level of support that I'm watching and that the chart really has you'd ideally like to see hold is this level right here at 0.0019. So let me change this to green real quick to represent support. So where am I getting this level from? Well, very clearly here you can see, and actually if I were to extend this line over like that, you can see that multiple times here acted as a resistance. Price tried to get above it. Price tried to get above it. You get the point. Price got knocked down by it again, and then when it was able to get above it here, you can see the massive move followed. So 0.0019, 0.0018, I should say, between that and 0.0019, will be this ideal level of support if this pullback does happen. But if it doesn't, at the end of the day, as long as the price can remain above 0.0014, which is the 50-day simple moving average value, then the medium term and overall chart will remain bullish. Now, in terms of resistance levels, pretty clear here. The big bad 200-day, which was sloping downwards. You can see here the price did intraday break it, but since we're looking at the daily chart, we care about where the close is. So the big daddy up here is going to be the key level of resistance going forward. Right now that's valued at 0.0046. So keep an eye on the 200-day, as that'll be the main speed bump that the price has got to get over. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We're making some good money together on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was DGRI. Thanks for listening.